Hai, dengan saya Johan. Hari ini kita akan belajar melakukan Pincha Mayurasana or peacock pose atau forearm stand. Hai, dengan saya Johan. Hari ini kita akan melakukan exercise buat Pincha Mayurasana atau forearm stand. Di yoga, pose ini nggak cuman inversion, tapi juga termasuk arm balance. Dan di sini yang kita butuhkan selain strength dari core, kita juga membutuhkan a lot of strength di bagian bahu, bagian punggung atas, sama fleksibilitas di bagian bahu. Oke? Jadi yang kita butuhkan adalah core strength, shoulder strength or arm strength, upper back strength, upper back flexibility atau mobility, dan bagian bahu which is the shoulders flexibility. So at the first we're gonna do some simple stretch in the shoulders. Yuk kita langsung mulai aja. So just do some simple stretch at the shoulder. Tangan yang sebelah kiri kamu stretch ke sebelah kanan dan tarik tangan yang kirinya ke dalam. Okay? And again, just gently touch the chin on the left shoulder. Taruh di bagian bahu yang sebelah kiri. And other side, buka tangannya, inhale. Dan exhale ke sebelah kiri. Ya, tarik tangan kanan, bahu yang kanannya jatuhin ke bawah. And chin gently touch the right shoulder. Then look to the right side. Oke, nah sekarang kembali ke tengah. Sekarang tangan yang kirinya stretch ke atas, tricep stretch, tangan kirinya taruh di bagian punggung atas, tangan kanannya tarik. So pulling in and up the left elbow. Stretch tangannya ke atas. Dua nafas lagi, 2, 1, dan turunkan pelan-pelan, ganti sisi. Tangan yang sebelah kanan stretch ke atas. Sikunya ditarik ke atas dan ke arah dalam, bahunya tetap relax. Ya, just keep relaxing your shoulders and feel the stretch at the side of your body and the right tricep. Hugging in the belly, hugging in the ribs. So keep the spine on a natural position. And then slow release, turun. Oke, nah sekarang kita mau stretching bagian bahu depan. Tangan sebelah kirinya buka ke samping, inner rotate the left shoulder. Okay, so we're gonna do a few times this. Inhale, outer rotate the shoulder, and turning in, exhale. Hands a little bit lower down than your shoulder. Inhale, buka lagi. So when you open or outer rotate the shoulder, you want to stretch the pecs, yeah, all the way out and rolling forwards, yeah. Now bend your elbow and put the hands in between the shoulder blades, di antara tulang belikatnya. Oke, di antara tulang belikat. Di sini mungkin kalau butuh strap, boleh pakai strap. Tangan kanannya stretch ke atas dan ambil tangannya. See if you can make it. Just find the stretch to your shoulder. Okay, so your back of the ribs want to push the hand back. Okay, so you're not too much arching at your back. You want to keep the core drawing in, shoulders back and down. Dua nafas lagi, inhale. And slow down. Switch the other side. Tangan kanannya ke samping. Inhale, outer rotate the shoulder. Ya, putar your legs going back and down, engage the legs and then rotating forwards. 2 more. Inhale, buka lagi, stretch lagi, darinya jauh ke samping, and exhale, rolling forward. 1 more. Inhale, open out, and exhale, rotate in, and then bend the elbows. Tangannya ditaruh di antara tulang belikat. Okay, not on the left ribs, but in between the shoulder blades. Tangan kiri stretch ke atas, panjangin side body. Now hugging in the elbows and then bend tekuk. Yeah, see if you can catch your elbow, catch your hands. Breathing, stretch the elbows high, squeezing in. Exhale, hugging in the ribs. Stay di sini. Untuk beberapa saat. Satu nafas lagi, inhale. And exhale, slow release. Good. Sekarang stretch, angkat kedua tangan ke atas. Okay, you can swing the arms up. Inhale and exhale, bend the elbows. Now try to touch your elbows and the palms together. Okay, touch your elbow and the palms together. Inhale, buka lagi. Exhale, stretch ke atas. Bend the elbow. Dua lagi ya, hugging in the elbow. So we don't want to squeeze the chest. We want to keep the chest open. So when you hug in, just make sure your collarbones stay wide and your chest. Okay, breathe in, open. Breathe out, stretch high. Again, down and hug in. Press and hug in the elbow. Shoulders open. 3. And I try to lift the elbows even higher. 2, 1, and then release, turun ke bawah. Okay? Now, we gotta do the stretch through your side of your body again. Ya, bagian samping lagi. So we're gonna start from the puppy pose. Hips over your knees. Ya, lututnya di bawah pinggul. And drawing the elbows forward. Drop the chest or the forehead down, then you bend the elbows. Tangannya ditarik ke belakang. So keep the side body active, yeah, the legs active, hugging in the navel, and then push the chest down and back toward the thighs. So this is the last shoulder stretch before we go to some core strengthening and your upper arm strengthening. 2 more breath. 1 more deep breath. And slowly put the hands down. Oke, angkat badannya. Oke. Nah, pertama kita akan mulai dengan telapak tangannya posisinya begini. Oke, we're gonna start from this position with the palms together and the elbows. Your shoulders wide, okay? So, pertama, ambil dulu upper arms-nya, hold the tricep, okay? Pressing down the elbow. Don't drop the chest. You want to keep and protract the shoulder blades. Press the palms together. Easy. Cat and cow in this position. So inhale, you're gonna arch the back, lift your chest up, pressing down your palms, pressing down your elbows, and exhale, curling the back, drawing in the belly and hug in. Lagi inhale, arch the back, tarik dari tulang ekor, dadanya dibuka, bahunya buka. Exhale, scoop the tailbone under, drawing in the belly and push. 2 more, inhale, angkat lagi dadanya, buka. And exhale, curling the back. Last one, inhale. Good. And exhale, hugging in. Stay, inhale up. And lay down on the chest. Turunkan dadanya ke bawah. Okay. So push the elbows. Lift your chest up. Steady posisi. Sphinx pose. Okay, Sphinx pose. Sikunya di bawah bahu, dadanya buka. So we gotta do forearm plank and a Sphinx. Tuck your chest. Breathe and press the heels back. Squeeze the belly in and push up. Dorong tangannya, dorong sikunya, bahu atasnya dibuka. Okay, and then drop the knees down. Flatten the feet and lower down the hips. Dadanya diangkat lagi ke posisi Sphinx. And you exhale, tuck your chest, belly hug in, press the thighs back. Really open your back. Yeah, hugging in the ribs, hugging in the belly. Press the thighs back. Drop the knees, drop the feet, and lower down the hip, chest open. So this is a very nice pose to strengthening the back, hugging in the belly. Yeah, it's not only about the front of the core, it's also working on your upper back. Yeah, working on the upper back and drop the knees, lower down, lift the chest up. Keep the chest open. Okay, last one, tuck your chest, lift up. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then drop down. Lift the chest, inhale. Dorong lagi sikunya, hugging in and squeezing your elbow to the midline of the body. Lift the chest up, stay. Pressing down the hip bone. Lift the chest up. And slow down. Good. Nah sekarang angkat lagi badannya. So we're gonna start from the all fours position, ya, posisi all fours. Dengan tangannya di bawah bahu. So we're gonna do some tricep push up variation. Ya ini cuma variasi saja. Which is this is a very nice option untuk yang beginner. Tangannya di bawah bahu. Jari tangannya sedikit putar keluar, so the bicep facing forward, elbows facing back. Hugging in the belly, inhale, and exhale, shifting the weight back and drop the elbows down gently. So breathe in, angkat lagi ke atas, lean forwards, and breathe out, go back, mundur ke belakang, sikunya turun ke belakang. Okay, di sini kita nggak cuma melatih strength the tricep, but we also working on to squeezing in the elbows to the center, so feel the core more active. Inhale up, working more on the tricep and the arms and drop them down. Stay, press the palms, press the elbows, hugging in the belly. 3, 2, 1, and then release, come up and sit back. Okay, nah sekarang duduk ke arah tumit. We're gonna shake your hands, roll the shoulders back and forwards. Okay, now time for do some hips opening, ya. Dari posisi all fours, step kaki yang kanan maju ke depan. Kaki yang kanan dimaju ke depan. Okay, you're gonna tuck your chest or untuck your chest, your freedom. Tangan di paha, angkat dadanya. Okay, hugging in the lower belly. And push the hip forwards. Inhale, stretch kedua tangannya ke atas tinggi. Try to hug in the elbow, so the elbow hugging into the center. Then you bend your elbow, stretch. Breathe in, tangannya ditarik jauh ke belakang. So try to bend the elbows 90 degrees and then reach the hands way back. Okay, so find more space to the side of your body. Find more space to the hips and to get deeper. Hugging in the belly and lower down. 3, 2, 1, and then come back down. Great. Ganti sisi yuk. Kaki yang kirinya maju ke depan. So the left leg forward, back knee down, angkat dadanya ke bawah atas. Okay, so you're gonna hugging in the elbow, stretch the arms up. Inhale. And exhale, bend. Tangannya tetap menekuk 90 degrees and feel the energy is moving up from the side of your body all the way to your fingertips. So reach your hands back. Inhale. And exhale, reach. Breathe again. Inhale. Exhale, reach. 3, 2, 1, and down. Woo. Oh, nah, stretch again, rock the hips side to side. And the next one, we gotta try to do with the palms facing down. So, yang harus kalian perhatikan, your upper arm are outer rotated. And your lower arm in rotation. Okay, so you're gonna put your elbows under your shoulders. Okay, and hands to your tricep. Jadi cari dulu jaraknya. Pertama, buka telapak tangan. Yang kedua, you just turning in the palms down. So your elbows will be very stable. Oke, kalau kamu langsung taruh begini, sometimes terlalu gampang kebuka. Jadi kamu dari sini dulu, baru kamu putar. Jadi space-nya akan lebih sempit. Jadi kamu bisa lebih steady di sini. Oke? So start from elbows under your shoulders, palms facing up and turning down. Tuck your chest and come to the plank position, forearm plank position. Dari forearm plank, we're gonna shifting the weight forward and back. Okay, inhale, shifting the shoulder forward, and exhale, shifting back. Lagi inhale, shifting forward, just like you're gonna touch the nose to the mat, and exhale, push back. Inhale forward, exhale, push back. Lagi 5, 4, burn your shoulders. 3, yes, 2, strengthen the arms. 1 more, shifting forward and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, shifting back and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Woo. So in the Pincha Mayurasana, you want to be able to leaning forward and pushing back. Jadi kita harus melatih gimana kamu leaning ke depan sama dorong ke belakang. Soalnya pas kamu nanti akan jalan kakinya ke depan, badan kita cenderung akan jatuh ke depan. Jadi untuk mendorong dan menjauhin badannya dari lantai. Okay, so that's the purpose why you do this exercise. Okay? Let's do the dolphin pose. Ya, dari posisi dolphin. Sikunya di bawah bahu, same thing. So, set up. Ya, dari paling basic, palms up and down. Kali ini tuck your chest, hugging in the belly. Protract the shoulder blades and lift. Angkat. And walk the feet forward. Breathing in. And then breathe out. Look up and back. Tuck the chin in and squeeze the belly. Or maybe you can lift the heels up. Squeeze perutnya di sini. Di sini yang benar-benar diaktifkan adalah perut. So maybe if I can say this is about 80% of the strength. Push, 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 push. Tuck the chin in, squeeze and lift the chest. Lift the heels up. 5. Hold it. Di tangannya. 3, 2, 1 and down. Okay. Itulah satu cara untuk kamu melatih strength di bagian forearm stand. Seharusnya pincha itu kita melihat ke arah antara tangan. That's true. Oke, itu emang benar. Nanti kita akan melatih lagi untuk lihat ke depan ke antara tangannya. Oke, so set up. Elbows under your shoulders, tangannya turun ke bawah. Tuck your chest and lift up. Protract the shoulder blades. Okay, so try to push your body back. So inhale, lean forward. Exhale, dorong. Nah, lagi inhale ke depan. Exhale, dorong. Option, drop the knees and do this one. 4 lagi. Breathing forward. Breathe out, push. 3, 2, I feel much. Stay di depan, tahan dulu, dorong terus tangannya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and push up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. My shoulders. Nah, gerak-gerakin dulu bahunya ya. Stretch the shoulders. Kamu lihat keringatku udah banyak, berarti exercise ini benar-benar parah. Oke, now let's try. Coba lagi. Oke, sekarang aku akan menunjukkan bagian tulang belikat. So when you put your elbows down, we don't want to give the tension around your neck. So our neck is supposed to be relaxed. After you set up, the forearm stand here and here. You want to make sure that your upper back is really open, and pull, depress, protract and depress, so you can really open the chest, so you can relax the neck. Jadi necknya itu tidak ketarik. Oke? Sekarang kita akan mulai dengan satu kaki. Here, open, lift up. Dari forearm. You can walk the feet as close as your arms, as long as your shoulders is not collapsing, ya. Kalau ke bahunya udah mulai jatuh, walk back. Don't come forward anymore. And feet together, breathe in. Kakinya satu angkat, left or right. Our target is not lift the leg really high, but we want to keep the hips square. Okay, keep the hips square and hugging in the lower belly, and lift up. Squeeze lagi perutnya, dorong tangannya. 5, push. 4, 3, tarik lagi ke atas. 2, 1, and down. Down. Yes. Oh, I can feel my arms getting bigger. And let's do the other side. Satu lagi ya. So elbows under your shoulders. Press the palms here. Tuck your chest. Lift. Protract the shoulder blades. So keep your upper back really open. Lift the leg up, squaring the hips. How about lift the heel up? Don't drop. You want to push. 5, 4, squeeze the thighs. So pulling in the thigh bone to the hip socket. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh. Kalau kamu kesulitan di posisi ini, okay, so if you feel this posture, dolphin three-leg dog, I call this dolphin three-leg dog, is too much for you. You can try to working on this pose. Kalau kamu udah mulai berasa kuat, baru kamu ke Pincha Mayurasana. Okay, you ready? Let's try. Ya, kita coba dulu ya. So today I will give you split leg up to the Pincha Mayurasana. Kita mau coba untuk cari dulu balance-nya. Oke, jadi yang penting kakinya naik dulu aja, cari balance-nya dulu. Nanti kalau lama-lama kamu udah biasa, baru kita working on the other parts of the Pincha Mayurasana. First, elbows under shoulders, hold your upper arms. Second one, palms facing up. Third, turn the palm, hugging in the elbows, and lift the knee, protract the shoulder blades. Okay, so walk the feet forward. So inhale, lift one leg up. Exhale, push. So start to lift the leg up. Inhale, can hop 3 times of the hop. Hop up 1 and down. And down. And 3, try to hold it and stay. Okay, this is the split leg Pincha Mayurasana, squaring the hips and bring the leg up together. You don't want to collapse like this, hugging in the belly, push the hands, squeeze the thighs in. Rusuknya tarik masuk ke dalam and lower down. Okay, gimana? Mungkin satu sisi lagi akan lebih better. We already know, tergantung fleksibilitas sama strength di satu sisi. Jadi imbalance di badan kita itu real. Itu emang hampir semua orang punya imbalance. Oke? I think I need some stretch. Oh. Now let's try the other side. Yuk coba satu lagi. Oke. Blok dulu sikunya ya, hugging in the elbows, push and down. Angkat dulu. Okay, now The other side ya, kaki satu lagi, angkat kakinya ke atas. You might hop the top back leg in, brace and push the hands, lift. And you're gonna hop up, 1 and down, 2, or maybe 3 and go up. Stay dulu, balance dulu. Push, push and point the legs. Baru satukan kedua kakinya. Jepit paha sikunya ke dalam. Jepit pahanya ke dalam, don't open. We don't want to squeeze hard in and push all the way up. And down slow. Okay? So you can try this Pincha Mayurasana. Just regularly do this exercise. Ya, kamu butuh strength, butuh flexibility, upper back, middle back, or upper back sama di bagian bahu. It's really that. Sekarang kita stretching, yuk. Basic stretchingnya sama, mirip-mirip. Saya stretch dulu bahunya. Oke, tangan yang kirinya turun ke lutut kanan, twisting ke sebelah kanan. Ganti sisi. Stretch the shoulder. Turunkan tangan kanan ke bawah, putar ke belakang, twist. And slowly, tangan di belakang. Okay, hands behind and bring the feet together. Satukan kedua telapak kaki and lift the chest up. Angkat dadanya, buka bahu, buka dadanya. And release. Oke, semoga video ini membantu kamu di practice dan kalian bisa dapat beberapa knowledge yang bisa kalian apply di practice Pincha Mayurasana kalian. And thank you. Namaste.